Originally, I was just gonna wrap this end of the house and then move all the scaffolding and the ladders and everything to the other end of the house and get that OSB put up. But starting that house wrap on the very corner over there and getting it kind of going, getting it going straight, it's kind of a pain in the butt. So I just went all the way as far as I could, went down this side, down the other end, and halfway back up the other side. I didn't quite get the other side done. And then I took a 26-foot piece and put it up there. Used one of the angles that I cut off to put up in the very top. Now I'll take the scaffolding apart, take everything, move to the other end, and then cover in that other end and house wrap the top of that. And then I got a little piece on the end over here. That's probably half the length of the house on the back side there to finish wrapping. For now, I got to get up on the top of the scaffolding and start taking this stuff apart. Get it all taken apart, transferred down to the other end of the house, and get that gable wall sheathed and then house wrap. It's supposed to rain, I think, 3 days out of the next 5. Along with the rain this time of year in this area comes a lot of lightning. So I don't know how much I'm going to get done on the scaffolding. If it's clouding over and it looks like it's going to start raining, I'm probably just going to get down and go inside. I don't want to be out playing around on the steel scaffolding when it's raining and lightning going on. So we'll see. It's a nice day today. We'll see how much we can get done. Well, that's that. We got all the OSB sheething up, the house wrap on, the roof's finished up. Those pieces of rim board are up, installed. The roof sheathing is screwed down to them. It's all done. I've got another piece of sheathing, or another piece of house wrap to put on the end of the house over here, about 22 feet, something like that. And I've also got to put the house wrap on the dormer window wall area right up there. So as soon as I get that wrapped and the backside finished up, we'll be ready for windows. The windows should be here in about a week. I think they'll be ready for me to pick up. Oh, and then we get to figure out how to install 6-foot by 8-foot windows. And now that the roof is finished, we can get final measurements on the roof and get our metal roofing ordered. We're going with a 16-inch on center standing seam metal roofing. It's a type where the next piece overlaps the previous piece's screws, so you don't have any exposed screws, and it's not a nice clean look. One more thing we want to do on the north side of the house that we did on the south side of the house. And the south side of the house, we did it to make it a little more structurally sound, a little stronger. On the north side here, we want to put those 2x4s up under the eave. I'm going to put a 2x4 on the wall and then had pieces of 2x4 coming straight out about halfway down to strengthen the eave on the south side. But we want to do it on the north side just so we have a flat area to mount some lights. So we have some lighting back here that's still underneath the eave. And I think we're just going to split the distance about halfway up is where we're going to put those 2x4s and go in with them. But that'll get done in another day. Until next time, guys, go make something.